What would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
Get more money.
It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
All right, what's up? It's Javi Mack doing off the red carpet interviews at X3 at Miami, South Beach. I'm here with
Max Steelz.
Hey, what's up? What's up? So tell me what would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
Get more money.
Oh shit. How would you do that?
Probably shoot more content. I'll probably shoot more content. You know, get a little bit more rest because you need rest to be able to recharge yourself to be able to get more money. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people think you got to run yourself till you're dead. No, because then your body's gonna shut down on you, and then you're gonna miss out on more money.
That's dope.
Yeah.
And so you always have the freshest masks and the freshest, outfits. So how long have you been doing the mask, and why did you decide to do the mask?
So I'm in my rookie season, bro. I've only been in the industry for about 5 months, but I'm expediting everything that I'm doing, and we moving kind of fast. I like the mask because my fans love the mask. You know what I'm saying? I kind of put the mask on, and everybody kind of gravitated to it. They love the mystique. I was like, you know what, we're going to go full force and really turn up the brand.
I like it. And what are your fans looking forward to? Like, what do they look forward to when they're interacting with you?
I think just the way we're able to have conversations, like everything doesn't have to be like, oh, where's this content? Where, I actually connect with my fans on another level. You know what I'm saying?
I like that. And the reason I'm asking about that and saving time is because I'm here with Super Creator, and they save their creators hours throughout the day utilizing their services. Yeah. Have you heard about Super Creator?
Nah, I need to sign up and come see what it's about, because if you didn't know, now you know, and I'm about to find out.
Oh, yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Appreciate it. And where do you want people to find you?
On Twitter, that's Max Steelz 69. That's MAXSTEELZ 69. And on Instagram, it's official Max Steelz. Y'all know what to do. Y'all see this mask with the bejewels. Y'all know y'all done found the right person.
Yeah. Max Steelz, appreciate it so much, man. Appreciate it. Good to see you. Yes, sir. I'm Javi Mack here at X3 with Super Creators. Thanks for watching.
Javi!